Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. OpenAI is rolling out a game changer. Sign in with ChatGPT. With over 600 million monthly users, this feature could rival Google or Apple logins, letting you access everything from e-commerce to social media using your ChatGPT credentials. Imagine ChatGPT as your universal digital identity. Now, let's talk about Claude. Anthropic has given Claude a voice, and it's impressive. With 5 unique voice options, Claude is now a full-fledged AI you can talk to. Built on the Claude Sonnet 4 model, it offers hands-free document summaries, calendar updates, and more through natural voice commands. If you're a Claude Pro user, it even syncs with your Google Calendar. This marks a shift towards fluid, voice-first AI interactions. Could this be the future of AI-human communication? Possibly, because soon, typing might just feel outdated. Switching gears, let's clean up your audio with Cleanvoice AI. Simply upload your file, select options to remove filler words and stutters, and download your polished audio. Perfect for podcasts. For productivity, check out these tools. Durable for quick website building, Cleanvoice AI for audio editing, DeepLWrite for polished text, Illustroke for instant SVG illustrations, and Blackbox AI for developers. In other news, Google's Stitch is here to turn simple prompts into full UI layouts, and Agentic AI is revolutionizing call centers with emotion-aware interactions. Meanwhile, MIT is reshaping U.S. manufacturing with AI, biotech, and sustainability. Finally, Stephen Hawking's AI warning rings louder in 2025. He foresaw AI's potential to transform healthcare and education, but also warned of its risks. As AI accelerates, his call for ethics and responsibility is more relevant than ever. Are we listening? Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.